Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we are going to review the LED meanings on the GC Touch panel. There's about 3 different colors and a few different like strobe settings the LED is going to go through. We will review all of them here, show what it's like, and discuss all that as well. All right, so the LEDs on the GC Touch panel, we have our LED indicator on the top right-hand corner of the panel. This is going to be the possibility of 3 colors: blue, which it is right now, red, or white. So we'll start with blue. Pretty much what blue indicates is that the system is on standby, it's disarmed, and there are no current issues, faults, errors, anything like that with the panel. So basically it's in working order and it's ready to arm. So we have our blue LED. Now say that I have a door open, so I'll go ahead and do that. All right, so I opened my front door. A couple things happened. One, we have the visual text indicator that front door is open. This means the system is not ready to arm. As you can see, we have no arming option. And then for the point of the video, the LED, it is a solid white. So if you see solid white, obviously you have the list there, but if you see solid white, that's going to indicate that a sensor is active and the system is not ready to arm. Something to note as well, it may not show this way in the video because of the light in the camera, but if it's flashing through the video, right now this white light is solid. And if I close that, we have our blue light that is solid as well. Now, if the LED is blinking in real life, that actually does mean something else, but on the video, I'll indicate when it's blinking or when it's solid. So right now, solid blue, open the door, solid white. If the panel is running on battery power only, to conserve the battery power, the LED does not remain on. So if you are on battery power only and system is ready to arm, instead of a solid blue, you'll get a blinking blue. And then same thing, if the system is not ready to arm while on battery power, it won't be a solid white, it will be a blinking white. Okay, so other options here. Okay, so let's go ahead and arm the system. I'm going to do arm stay. We have the exit delay countdown right now. So currently LED is a solid red. Solid red indicates that the panel is arming or it's armed. So we'll just wait for this to finish. Okay, so panel is armed. Our red LED is still solid. Now, when the panel is in an alarm mode or during the entry delay countdown, this solid red is going to flash. So I'm going to open and close the door. Again, it may not show the video, but right now the LED is flashing during the countdown. And I'm going to let this go all the way down. It'll go to alarm mode. Our LED will continue to do what it is now, which is flashing red. Okay. All right. We had the flashing red LED during the alarm. I disarmed it, changed back to solid blue. We can exit this screen right here. And we're back to solid blue LED. Panel is disarmed. Okay, so that is the LED meanings for the GC Touch panel. As you saw, blue indicates everything's okay. Flashing blue is battery only, so low power. Flashing red is an alarm or the entry delay. Solid red is system is arming or is armed. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you had any questions Our phone number is 888-818-7728. Our email address is support@alarmgrid.com. And if you come to our website, www.alarmgrid.com, we have a live chat feature there as well, so feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to assist you. Again, my name is Dylan from Alarm Grid, and thank you for watching.